Hello, everybody. I wanted to share with all of you what inclusion and diversity means in our rich Sephardi tradition. You know, the rabbis of the Talmud, they say, if you see 600,000 Jews congregated together, it's a very rare occurrence, incredibly rare occurrence. So if you're privileged to see this in your lifetime, there's a special blessing that we recite. This blessing is called Chacham Harazim, the wise one of mysteries. That's how we refer to God when witnessing such an incredible sight of Jews. Now our rabbis ask, well, why do we refer to God by such a title? The wise one of mysteries? Of course God knows all of the mysteries. And there's a very, very special lesson that we learn from this blessing. Our rabbis say, She'en da'atam domim ze lazeh, ve'en partufehem domim ze lazeh. No Jews' thoughts, ideas, worldview is akin or similar to another's. Just like their faces are all different. Each of us have our own unique faces, our own unique fingerprints, our own unique thoughts and ideas. The way in which we experience the world is shared by no one else. And Sephardim, especially here at Mikveh Israel, have cherished that individuality very, very highly. Just to make this point even clearer, as we stand here in our synagogue, there is an abundance of space here. Pews, rows and rows of which have been used since 1976. And since 1976, and even prior to that, since 1782, during the capacity of our first building, we had Jews from all walks of life. Whether it was the Spanish and Portuguese Jews during the colonial era here in the United States, through the 19th century wave of Ashkenazi Jews who joined us, and into the 20th and 21st centuries, where we had Jews from Moroccan, Temani, Persian, Iraqi, Ashkenazi, Hungarian, Polish, you name it. Over here, you're welcome not only as a Jew of your origins, but also as a fellow member here in Ka'al Kadosh Mikveh Israel, on par and equal to everybody else. I wish everybody a wonderful and joyous period during this upcoming Sefirah leading into the holiday of Shavuot, and maybe continue to strive towards embracing, loving, and caring for every Jew, both externally, as far as our ethnic roots, and also internally, as far as respecting and valuing each other's ideals and values. Amen.